What's up? Hello. Today we'll be showing you how to fix this problem, Roblox not launching or reinstalling. Whenever it pops up, this prompt message says cannot continue installation because another installer is running. So basically we have around 2 or 3 different ways on how to fix this problem. So depending on your issue, this shall find solution to your problem. So first one is what you want to do is go to your control panel on your Windows, and then under all control panel items, go to programs and then find the Roblox player for this, as you can see on my screen, the one with the red highlight, and then click uninstall. So once you have uninstalled that program, you have to go to Roblox website and then download it again and then reinstall it, and then you have to run it again. Now if it doesn't work, then we shall proceed to the next step or next solution, which is um, typing in or clicking Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then this shall pop up this dialog, and then you have to type in %local app data %, all small letters and no space, and then click OK. And then what it will lead you to is this a folder. You have to locate Roblox, and then once you have clicked that, under Roblox's versions, once you have clicked versions, you have to find a folder under versions that actually displays this file, Roblox Player Launcher. Okay, so once you have located that, you have to click it and then right click it and then pick open. Okay, and that shall solve your issue with the Roblox not launching. Now, if this still doesn't work, then we have 2 other tips that we can give you. One is you have to make sure that you don't have any antivirus or a firewall on your computer, and second is you got to make sure that Roblox is your operator, or that it runs in your system. If it doesn't work, then you have to probably use um, another desktop or another account. That's it. Thank you for watching.